Hi, my name is David Budd from First Aid Only, and today we're going to be talking about bleeding control kits, and we're going to take some of the mystery out of the components that go inside the kits and differentiate them. The first item to talk about is a tourniquet. A tourniquet is used on an arm or leg to constrict the blood flow. The way a tourniquet works is you place it high and tight above the wound on the limb, and then you take the major strap and you tighten it down to first constrict the blood flow, and then you take this great tool called the windlass wand, twist it until the blood flow stops, you tuck it into C-clip, and then you throw the enclosure strap across and write the time on here so the paramedics know when that tourniquet was applied. A second great tool to use is the hemostatic gauze pad. A hemostatic gauze pad is embedded with agents which will absorb the water in the blood and allow the proteins in the blood to accelerate that clotting factor, and it can be used on any part of the body. The third great tool is a Israeli bandage. An Israeli bandage has a combine dressing on one side and then a pressure applicator bar on the other side. You place it directly over the wound, and then you take the elastic strap and you wrap it around the wound, and then you tuck it back through this pressure applicator bar and cinch it down to constrict that blood flow. In some of our more advanced kits, we have a chest seal. A chest seal is for lung puncture wounds and allows the lung to continue to function properly. It has an occlusive gel on the backside, so after you peel away the backing, you place it directly over the wound and it lets trapped air out without letting air back in. It's important you understand the components of a bleeding control kit because a victim can bleed to death in 5 minutes. So have a bleeding control kit at your work, school, or home. So be sure you're prepared and have a bleeding control kit.